Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone meets compatibility and has the latest iOS, because app features depend on the OS. Next, make sure your Apple ID is signed in with two-factor authentication so installs and account features work. Once done, open the App Store or Test Flight to locate the Gemini app or Invite. You'll download and install. This establishes the app environment and permissions you'll configure next, and avoids issues caused by outdated system software. After installing, you'll grant permissions. Allowing microphone or camera access enables multimodal features, while notifications keep you informed. Then sign into Gemini with your Google account so models personalize to your data. Make sure to review privacy and data sharing toggles to control what's stored. Once that's complete, enable background app refresh only if you want ongoing updates. Restrict location unless necessary. These steps balance functionality and privacy, and set the app to behave predictably on your device. Now run a quick test. Open a chat, try an image input, and a voice prompt to verify everything responds. If something fails, first update the app in iOS, then restart your iPhone. That resolves most transient issues. If problems persist, sign out, clear cache, or reinstall the app. Make sure network settings allow outbound connections. One key troubleshooting tip: disable VPNs or strict content filters temporarily, because they often block authentication or media uploads and cause confusing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.